Hey folks, it's Russ Phi. Today is Saturday, June 22nd, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video about making money with postcard mailing. This is super easy. Anybody can do this. And all you need is some postcards and consistency, all right? And you don't even have to use postcards. But before I get into this video and talk to you more about it, I just want to welcome Daniel to our team. Daniel joined yesterday, and I'm looking forward to working and earning with him. So welcome to the team, Daniel. Our team is growing each and every day. I'm getting signups in this every week now, and people are catching on to how awesome American Bill Money is for an opportunity, and the simple fact that you can make money just mailing postcards out. I got a whole stack here. All right, another stack getting ready to go out to the post office, and it's just, I wish I would have joined this a lot sooner, because if you can take a peel and stick label, an address label and a stamp, and put it onto a postcard and take it down to your post office, you can make this work. All right. And again, you don't even have to use the mail or the postcards. We have flyers that you can use. We have drop cards. When you join my team, I give you a whole list of 80 plus places that you can promote it online. You can do video marketing. You can share it on social media platforms. You can go door to door. There's some people in this industry who still go door to door and hand out postcards. All right. One of the top earners in another direct mail company, he earns $10,000 to $20,000 a month last time I knew. And he'll go to like apartment complexes or, heavily populated areas, and he'll hand out postcards. All right. So there's really an endless amount of ways that you can share this opportunity with other people. But I like direct mail. I like the postcards because I know that each and every time I send out a postcard, the recipient is going to get it. They're going to see the postcard. There might be a few that get lost along the way in the mail, but the majority of postcards will be delivered, and everybody who checks their mail is going to see the postcard. Now, some of them might throw it in the garbage, but then there's others that are going to look at it and put it on their desk, and maybe they'll look at it next week or in a month from now and then check it out, and other people look right at it and check it out right away. So it just, when you compare that to email marketing, a lot of times, like I always say at our soap shop, we get so many spam emails every day now that unless an email is from a customer or from our website or an order, I rarely check anything else, because it's just all spam, So even when you buy solo ads and things like that, you don't know where the clicks are coming from. You don't know if it's a robot or, you just don't know who it is. With direct mail, at least the recipient is actually going to see, the opportunity. And where we get leads from, these are leads, they're opportunity seeking leads. So these are people looking for ways to supplement their income or replace their income. All right, so it's like a warm market already. All right, it's not cold emailing anybody. These are people actually looking for ways to make money online. All right, so it doesn't get any easier than American Bill Money. Like I said, you just have to stay consistent with this. So if you can only afford to mail out 25 postcards a week, then make sure every single week you're mailing out 25 postcards a week. And the best days to mail out, if you live in an area where your post office lobby is open on a Sunday and you can put postcards into the outbox, then do it Sunday. If you don't live in a place like that, get to the post office on Monday and ship those out, because you want the recipient, to get those postcards near Friday or sometime on the weekend. All right. Most people get paid on a Friday, and that is the best time for somebody to get an opportunity postcard like what we have with American Bill Money. You don't want somebody getting your postcard on a Monday when, they have to go back to work. They're not, they have too much on their mind, So if you mail it out Sunday or Monday, it's the best chance for them to receive it, either Friday or Saturday, which is what you want. Okay. Most people get most of their mail on Mondays, and they're not in the right frame of mind to be looking at opportunities. All right. But on a Friday or a Saturday, after they worked a long week, you know, they might say, oh, wow, you know, this looks like a great opportunity. I want to learn more about it. And so that is my advice for that. But yeah, American Bill Money is great. You know, like I said, I'm getting signups each and every week now. And people are contacting me, they're calling me, I'm doing phone calls. If you want to hop on a quick call with me, I'm more than happy to do that with it, you know, for you, so that you can better understand how this program works. But literally, it's as simple as mailing postcards out. And if you can do it, if I can do it, then you certainly can do it, all right? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. If you're going to send me a text message or reach out to me Facebook Messenger or email, just make sure somewhere in the subject line or somewhere in the beginning of your message you put ABM or American Bill Money, so that I know to look at it. Because again, even on Facebook and emails, I get so much spam stuff and people trying to, you know, sell me things like that. So oftentimes they'll get overlooked. So just put ABM or American Bill Money in the subject line or in somewhere in the beginning of the message, so that I know it's pertaining to American Bill Money. But yeah, you can make a lot of money mailing postcards. You can make a lot of money with direct mail. I still think, aside from video marketing, direct mail is the #1 way to share your opportunity, for the simple fact that, you know, the recipient actually is going to get your postcard and look at it. What they do with it, you can't control, but you know that, you know, if you mail out 1,000 postcards, probably 990 of them are going to be looked at by people, all right? Because there's always a few that get lost in the mail, but, you know, so it's a good return on your investment, and it's a super easy business model. The compensation plan is very lucrative. It pays 3 levels deep. I'm not going to go into that right now. We have different starter packages where you can make, you know, a lot of money with this opportunity. So again, if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. You can go to incomedoubled.com/6126. You can get all the information you need right there. And I look forward to earning and working with him. And again, welcome to the team, Daniel. So have a great day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.